So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in internet options. Click on it. Once you're on this, go to the general tab and then select delete. You want to select everything here and then click on delete. Now you want to click on settings and then select never and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to the content tab and then select clear SSL state and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset and then click on enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.